How to fix a car that won't start. When a car won't start, it can cause inconvenience and stress. But fixing a car is easy, and the engine only needs 3 things to run: air, fuel, and spark. First, check the air filter and pipes. Check there is enough fuel and is getting to the engine. Check the spark plugs and wires. Once you have all 3, the car will start. Some cars are more complex and have computers and electronics. First, check the fuses and relays. Connect the computer and run diagnostics. Check all computer modules. Once the electronics are okay, the car will start. An engine only needs 3 things to run: air, fuel, and spark. Disclaimer, nobody's gonna read this.